One of the United States' top cybersecurity insurers was hit with a ransomware attack that knocked the company offline for more than 2 weeks. Ransomware locks or destroys computer files, and attackers usually demand payment to unlock or restore the files. Additionally, sophisticated ransomware software, like the one used in this attack, has the ability to spread throughout a company's computer system. Without backup files, this can be devastating for a business, not only losing the ability to do business, but also the reputational damage, especially for a company like CNA that insures against these type of attacks. Ransomware is a form of malware, which is considered one of the fastest growing threats to both businesses and individuals. Up over 270% over the past 5 years, hackers want to make your computer work for them by encrypting and holding your files hostage and extorting you to unlock them, such as in this case, by spying on you, sending out phishing emails, or by having your computer mine cryptocurrency. While malware can be delivered through things like USB devices, it's estimated that 95% of the time, malware is delivered via phishing emails. Most often, the attacker will try to play on your emotions to get you to click on a link or open an attachment. You may get an email saying you've been charged for a large purchase that you haven't made, or you might get a notification saying you've got a delivery you weren't expecting. They want you to urgently click on the link or open the attachment. One trick hackers are using more and more is an attachment like a Microsoft Word document or Excel spreadsheet that tells you that you need to enable macros or enable content in order to view the document. When you click Enable Macros, the malware is installed on your machine. This is one way hackers can hide their malicious code. Be suspicious of any file that tells you need to enable macros or enable content in order to view the information. To protect yourself, don't overreact when you get these types of messages. The attackers are trying to get you to react before stopping to think that this might be a trick. Next, if it seems suspicious, don't click the link or open the attachment. And don't call or email the company using information from that email message. If you're still unsure, search the web for the company's contact information to reach out to them directly. In the case of CNA, it's taken weeks for the company to restore their system from backups. In addition to educating employees on phishing attacks, business owners might also consider regular backups to protect against this type of attack. Share this information with friends and relatives to help them avoid becoming a victim as well. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel to get more tips on being security aware and to learn how to avoid becoming a victim.